Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial by Disenyo Local. So for today, I would like to share with you the slice command in under the edit commands. Okay, so let us try. I'm gonna input here uh, in the command line slice. Okay. So as you can see, slice select objects to slice. So let us take for an example this pyramid here. I'm going to select and then select objects to slice, enter, specify the start point of the slicing plane. So I'm gonna select the center and then next specify second point on the plane and then specify a point on the desired side. Okay, so this side. Okay, so I'm going to repeat again the slice command using shortcut key. So slice space select object. I'm going to select this box and then I'm going to select here, specify starting point of sliced plane, slicing, and then specify point desired. Okay, so this one. So again, I'm gonna try to slice this cylinder. Select object, and then the space. Let's see, start point. This one. Specify second point. So this one. And then specify second point on plane. Okay. So there you go. Okay. Again, let us repeat for the cone. Oops. So slice command. Then select object. Then space. Specify start point of slicing plane. So I'm going to try this way. Then so there you go. Again, let us repeat. Select the object, slice, and then select the object, space, start point here. I'm going to try this one, and then space. Okay. The sphere. Let us try to slice the sphere. Then space. Okay. This slice command. Select the object and the space. I'm going to try this way. Space. Specify second point. Ano? Select the object, the space, and specify start point. And then this way. Space. Okay. Then this one, torus. Let's try. slice, space, select the object, and space, specify start point, this way, and then second point, space. So you have there sliced objects. So let us try again one more time. Slice, space, select object. I'm going to select this one, this half cylinder. I'm gonna try this way. Specify start point. This one and this one. Okay. Cleaner object surface. Let us try. Select a circle ellipse. Okay, I have trouble slicing this one in horizontal way. But anyway, so there you go. If you want to slice an object, just select slice command in the edit group of commands, or just type slice uh, for the shortcut key. Okay. Face. So there you go. You have now the slice command for the 3D objects. Okay, so I think that's all for this slice command. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like my video tutorial, and see you next tutorial. Please follow, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more video tutorial like this. So, God bless everyone.